Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Lorex 4K dual-lens Wi-Fi security camera, a powerhouse outdoor camera designed to keep your property safe and secure.
First things first, let's talk about what sets this camera apart from the rest.
The Lorex W891UAD boasts dual lenses, delivering razor-sharp 4K video quality and a panoramic view of your surroundings. And hey, who doesn't love color night vision? That's right, this bad boy gives you clear visuals even when the sun goes down.
Now, let's break down some key features. With its wide 180-degree field of view,
you're getting comprehensive coverage of your yard, driveway, and street.
Plus, it's got dual-band Wi-Fi support, ensuring a stable connection at all times.
Oh, and did I mention it's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant?
Yeah, it's pretty smart. Alright, let's talk setup. Installing this camera is a breeze. Just power it up, scan the QR code, connect to your Wi-Fi, and voila! You're good to go.
Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll have this thing up and running in no time.
Now, onto performance.
I gotta say, I'm impressed.
The dual lenses deliver crystal clear video with no distortion, even during the night.
And those motion alerts?
Spot on.
Whether it's a person, a vehicle, or even your neighbor's cat, this camera knows what's up.
Let's take a quick peek at the app interface.
It's intuitive, user-friendly, and packed with handy features. From adjusting motion detection settings to viewing live streams, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Plus, with smart integrations like Alexa and Google Assistant, controlling your camera is as easy as saying "Show me the backyard." So, is the Lorex 4K dual-lens Wi-Fi security camera worth the investment?
Absolutely.
With its top-notch video quality, wide coverage, and smart features, it's a solid choice for anyone serious about home security. That wraps up our review of the Lorex 4K dual-lens Wi-Fi security camera. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, stay safe and happy filming.